Right, 300 exclusives. We're at the KOD Car Show. Was it July 27th? Evergrove Heights. King of Diamonds. Looking good. What is this saying?
for the raffle. Again, guys, it's a free entry. It's free to register. We do ask for donations, though, so if you can donate, the charity that is all the proceeds are going to from the show today is homesforourtroops.org. So, guys, we appreciate you guys coming out, and if you get registered, make sure and hold on to your registration card, and remember your number that is on your registration card that goes inside your car. When we call your number, make sure to bring your registration card with you up here to claim your raffle prize, guys. We got a lot of cool stuff to give away. And
an old friend of mine.
what are we going to start with, Mark? What are we going to start with right now?
You're not there because
wow. All right. I hope I win this one, guys. The first thing we're giving away at this raffle is a set of Jameson shot glasses.
Oh, sure.
So a set of Jameson shot glasses. Mark's going to draw the first number, which is number 91. Number 91, guys. If you are registered, number 91. Come on up here and get your set of Jameson shot glasses. So, again, guys, when you register your car, that will enter you in the raffle. Your registration number is your raffle number. And again, we've called number 91. Here he is. We got 91.
Oh, yeah.
Sure. Oh, okay. Next coming up, guys, the next raffle here is a Seagram's jersey. That's right, a Seagram's jersey. And what number is that going for? Number 112. Number 112, guys. 112. If that is your registration number, bring your registration sheet with your number on it up here and claim your Seagram's jersey. And coming up next, I think, what do we got here? This is we've got a Jameson Irish Whiskey inflatable, yeah, it's like an inflatable bottle or something from Jameson here. And along with it, you're going to be getting the Jameson Irish Whiskey golf cup. It's got some keys and a racket. So for the Jameson, number 63, guys. The registration number is 63. Bring your registration card with you. up next, for this raffle section, we are going to be giving away Jägermeister drinking glasses. It's a set of 6. They are some really cool Jägermeister drinking glasses, guys. We're giving away that for this raffle section, guys. Mark's going to pull the number. Number 15. Number 15 is your registration card. Make sure to bring the registration card up here to the DJ booth in the trailer with us and show it to us. And you'll get your Jägermeister drinking cards, guys. Coming up next, we got a Corona Light t-shirt. Whoa! Wait and see one Jägermeister glasses. Look at that. And some Corona Light t-shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Number 50, number 50. That is your registration number. Make sure you come up, bring your registration.
King and Diamonds Strip Club, Gentlemen's Club, car show hosted by the Heavy Hitters. And I'm out.